Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Chris Rod. It's Super Tecuache Suspects and the homies. Oh, what the fuck? So you guys already know the vibes. It's time to troquear with a static bug. So we're gonna be going to Tempe real quick. I don't know if some of y'all are from here, but Tempe is basically Tempe. So we're gonna be going there, and then we'll see what's good with the homies. And it's his birthday, by the way. So go wish him a happy birthday on Instagram. Even though it's probably not today, because this video goes up like a year late. But yeah, go follow him, and then follow this cutie too. He's matching his truck right now. So, and I think he's wearing the same thing from yesterday.
No, it's the same thing from the past 3 days.
What the fuck? TRD Jesse, what the fuck?
Zoom in on the neck, dog.
Oh, on the neck, on the neck. Oh shit. What the fuck? El Adrian? Hi. Static Leo, Bug.
Oh,
Yeah, guys, so we pulled up. Some people are...
Haircut. He does haircut.
Oh, wait. Get in the sun,
Sponsored by Chris Rod.
A la verga. On my blog, where you at? Hire him. Los Santos, dog.
Did it myself.
Hello. Fuck.
He's a YouTube tutorial.
Damn. A la verga. Fool, where's the giveaway truck at, dog?
Oh, I left it at home.
In Texas?
No,
Right there,
in New York.
Yeah, so we got all the Tecuaches pulling over. What? Birthday boy? A la verga.
You had to do me like that, huh?
We did.
I appreciate it. Say he's diabetic, but he can't. Yeah, I'm diabetic.
Huh? It fell in my... No, fuck you. No, bro, so... See, what happened was, it like fell.
You got hungry on the way to...
No, I didn't.
My lady ate it. Why are you still recording? Lady said she's tired, but she wants to
Happy birthday.
Oh, fuck. Hey, fool, it was either that or a cake. I think I have napkins in the car. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh.
Nah, nigga, I got shit in my nose.
He said, you got hungry on the way here?
You're a bitch, man.
You win.
Alright guys, so it's actually the second day. It's the second day from what we were filming yesterday. So we're just chilling right now. So a lot of you guys don't know, but my girl actually has a C10. What? Those are gonna get demonetized.
What? I miss your thick battle sticker. It's cause babe,
So
my truck is
look,
old.
hit sideways like this. And then you can do
Guys,
that.
this is the first time we move this truck in a month. Or maybe like a year, but you know, it's cool, todavía prende. Hay otro bump.
I know.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
And there's another one and another one. And
You gotta
then
hit these sideways like this, but
babe, I'm not that low, but I know this, babe. Ya aprendí de mis errores, babe.
hey, let me go in the
It's so
parking lot and swing it.
cute.
Let me go in the parking
No,
lot.
babe.
Why? I can swing this shit.
My trick doesn't work.
Watch. I'll put it in first gear right now.
You don't even know which one's first gear, babe.
Nigga, all the way until you can't go down no more.
Mira, if you drive this truck, babe, you learn from it.
Hey,
Te
so-
sabes las mañas. Look at this, babe. Radiada. You guys see this?
Ooh, this is fucking me up, dude. Stop! You can I peel out right here?
No. Oh, talking about peeling down, I also peeled down one time. Allá. Oh, Chris, me vas a hacer chocar, dude. Like,
Boy, your steering wheel is so good.
look,
I
guys.
feel like a bus driver.
That's so motherfucking extra, babe.
Nigga, why does it keep hitting so hard? It's hitting your what's it called? It's hitting your look, who lives right there?
Oh, hell no. Break your babe. One time. Mira mis fans. Gracias. Wait, babe, ¿cómo eres de burro? If you hit the gas, it's gonna go up. But since you're going
Oh, those
slow.
are your RPMs?
I don't know, to be honest, guys. So, Mabit is. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama aquí, babe?
Chandler?
In Chandler, Fort